Your angel is saying to you now, something stressful is about to exit your life, to be replaced by a blessing. If you read this, $1 million is coming to your doorstep. Soon someone's going to look at you like you're the best thing in the world. Universe is telling you, it is time to reflect upon your life and current circumstances. It is time to examine your true inner feelings, your lifestyle choices and path you are currently on. Take the time to really know yourself on every level. Take time for personal reflection, contemplation and align yourself with your higher self. Prosperity is coming your way, money is flowing your way. Type 888 to receive. God is not punishing you, He is preparing you. Trust His plans, not your pain. Hi, I just wanted to tell you that you are amazing and everything is going to work out for you, because you deserve a wonderful life with no worries. Type yes if you believe. Next message maybe change your life. Subscribe please.